Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we got an issue like some of you might be experiencing. The fifth wheels, trailers, RVs aren't made like normal homes. So the other day my wife caught her toe on this piece of trim and pulled it all the way off, and today we're gonna fix it. Alrighty, so the trim pieces are held on with these little brad nails, and I'm gonna reuse the ones that I pulled out to put the trim back on. So here we go. Alright, so yeah, pretty much reusing the same holes, and hopefully it goes back down here. One more to put in, and that should be it right there. Alrighty, now we're good and secure on there. RV maintenance never ends. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.